We're at the Monkey Island.
I'm in the zoo with the lions and apes and bears. You probably won't make it there. One of the ops, they say they want smoke with me. You don't wanna take it there. And these niggas be hating this shit here. It's like a disease. I'm glad that I came prepared. I'm the worst case scenario. Better put faith in there. You running like bitch, come here. You better start facing your fears.
What's up, guys? So we're out here sa van, and we're going to our hotel now. This is our first time in Thailand with my brothers, Adi,
What are
and
you?
my mom.
Hi.
So,
VIP right here.
so yeah,
Class.
let's see. I'll catch you guys later.
Huh? 300?
Oh my god.
You know,
This is crazy.
Got some brownies.
Are you gonna buy one?
magkano?
So, sobrang daming massage dito sa Thailand. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Feeling ko yung specialism mo.
That's what they're known for.
So, ito yung 7-Eleven nila. Let's see. Oh, okay.
Yo! Hindi yung orange na lang ba?
Parang cobra. Parang cobra.
Good for two? I mean, 10?
Kasi lang sa usawan mo.
Oh shit, that was good. His name is Brown.
Good. Stephen Curry. LeBron James. LA. The guitar is crazy. The guitar is crazy.
Bawal doon pa ba?
Igagi yun, ano eh. Country road, take me home to the West Virginia, my mama.
Nào na.ไม่มีสแกนครับที่ร้านเราทำสด
ไม่มี I think you need to be here, right?
Hinaan nga lang daw eh.
Ay,
Gently nga ito.
นั้นได้ตั้งจิตมาแต่ไกลตั้งใจ
What
แต่
the
บ้าน
fuck?
เพื่อที่จะ
Dami. Ha? So today, another day, another opportunity.
Another day. Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't think it smells
Ooh.
really like strong. Like, I was set up in Cambodia.
You're not good looking, man. You don't.
Na, i-enjoy ko na lang kung ayaw niyo. Enjoy ko na lang.
Yes, sir. What's up, guys? So, dito kami right now sa Phuket. It's crazy. It's crazy. Parang kami nasa province lang. Like, tingnan nyo naman. Bro. What?
Will you show them the crib?
Mamaya, guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung crib. Papakita ko sa inyo kung where kami nag-i-stay. Crazy. Yes, sir.
Kunin kaya natin boy.
Thailander cat. Hi, Thailander cats. The Thailander cats.
Meow, 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 meow.
Let me know. Hi.
Oh, they cute.
Sino mas cute sa inyo, ha? Sino uwi? Sino uwi na? Okay.
Who wanna go home with us? No, just take them home.
Let's go.
No.
Sawadika, I'm from here, from Thailand. I'm from Thailand. We Thailand, we like spicy food.
The food here are spicy.
Ang mura ng sigarilyo nila rito. Oh, shit. We're at Phuket. Ang mga pagkain. Welcome to Kata Beach. What's up, guys? We're at Kata Beach. Let's go.
Oh, I miss the beach.
It's nice here.
Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord.
Sawadika. Ano, kataw ko kay Street Life Mountain. Iya.
This one what?
Hey guys.
This one?
So,
Okay, not spicy
we're at,
also. Mark it out then. Yeah, mark and then make it two.
Ba't ko ba nakakalimutan yung name ng beach?
Make it two.
I think nasa
What?
Naiharn.
Pork.
Naiharn. Naiharn Beach.
What's that pork?
Hi guys, so today ito kami sa fuck, I keep forgetting the name of the beach.
Naiharn.
Huh?
Naiharn.
Okay, nasa Naiharn kami guys.
Harn.
Nasa Naiharn kami guys. Naiharn Beach. Nakatapos na namin kumain. It's already 3 o'clock. So, oh shit. So, we're gonna chill lang dito. Take a swim. Yeah. Ito sana yung beach.
Shut up, bitch.
Wow! Parang mas malakas yung alon dito. Same lang.
Sana mas malakas.
So damn hot. Init. Pero yung init dito sa Thailand, hindi siya nakakapasok.
Like, tolerable.
Yeah. So, see you guys in a bit.
What's going on, guys? Phase right here, and today, right now, hi guys, we're just chilling today. Oh my god!
Ang taba ko. Naiinis ako sa sarili ko.
What's up guys? So, right now nasa Palong Beach kami. Palong Beach, right? Ata. Okay, so right now nasa Patong Beach kami. Papahinga lang kami. Sakit nga eh. Joke lang. Sakit mo sakit. It's nice here. We're just gonna chill. Tapos titingnan namin kung ano itsura dito paggabi. Paligo kaso, ano mga kaligo? What's up guys? So it's night time. We're gonna have dinner, kakain muna kami. And yeah, so far, so good. Sobrang solid dito, not gonna lie bro. Chilling lang kami, no? Yep. Well, kakain kami sa may Irish bar ata. Kasi doon gusto ng mambo. So, yeah. What the fuck?
Or the bag have to blow out like this.
I think more.
We're at the
Monk.
we're at the Monkey Island, but there's no monkey.
Sa pinag-shooting ni Leonardo DiCaprio.
Going to Maya Bay, guys. Doon kung saan nag-shoot si Leonardo DiCaprio.
Sa movie na The Beach.
Yes. Yes, sir. We're out here at the Maya Beach. Oh, damn. So, sa Maya Beach, guys, bawal mag-swimming. Yan lang yung tao. Punta lang kami sa cave. Hey y'all, it's our last day here at Thailand. And right now, kakain lang kami. How's Thailand, bro?
I'm hungry.
How's Thailand?
I'm hungry.
How about you? How's Thailand?
50-50.
What do you mean by 50-50, bro?
Di ba sa matchan mo? Nakalimutan niyo na lahat na naman ng phone na yan. Doon na sa bagong
Hey guys, I forgot to vlog. Yung pagkain namin. Ayun, naubos na namin. Pero sabihin ko sa inyo, ano ka namin. Okay, shrimp. Ano ko? Okay. This is like lapu-lapu. And then that's lobster.
si Madi daw.
And then shrimp ulit. Yeah.
Sasalita si...
So this is our last day here sa Thailand. I'm gonna miss this, bro. Like I'm gonna miss this. Yeah. Hey guys, we're nasa plane na. And pauwi na kami. And yeah. Super fun.
First take. This is the first take.
Yeah. Thailand, super solid nyo. Can't wait to get back here again to Thailand. And yeah, we had fun. And can't wait to see you guys again soon. Okay, say bye now.
Sabong ka.
Bye vlog. Peace. Bye bye.